In today's digital age, making money online has become a viable option for individuals of all ages. Whether you're a teenager looking to earn some extra cash or a retiree seeking financial independence, the internet offers countless opportunities to generate income. In this video, we'll explore various methods to make money online, from freelancing and e-commerce to affiliate marketing and content creation. Our goal is to provide you with engaging and informative insights that empower you to take control of your financial future. With the right approach and mindset, anyone can tap into the vast potential of online income streams, regardless of their age or experience level. Understanding online opportunities, the internet is brimming with diverse avenues for making money that cater to all ages and skill levels. Freelancing platforms like Upwork and Fiverr allow you to offer your services, whether it's writing, graphic design, or programming. E-commerce sites like Etsy and Amazon provide a space to sell handmade goods or products. Additionally, content creation on platforms like YouTube and TikTok can turn your passions into profit. One of the greatest advantages of online work is its flexibility and accessibility, enabling you to work from anywhere at your own pace. Take some time to identify your skills and interests, and you'll discover the perfect online opportunity waiting for you. Freelancing, a flexible option. Starting your freelancing journey is easier than you might think. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are excellent places to find gigs that match your skills, whether you're into writing, graphic design, web development, or digital marketing. To stand out in a competitive market, building a strong portfolio showcasing your best work is crucial. This not only demonstrates your capabilities but also helps potential clients trust your expertise. Additionally, don't underestimate the power of marketing your skills effectively. Utilize social media, networking, and personal branding to attract clients. With dedication and the right approach, freelancing can provide you with a flexible and rewarding income stream. E-commerce, selling products online. Setting up an online store has never been easier, thanks to platforms like Etsy and Shopify. Whether you're selling handmade crafts or digital products, these sites provide user-friendly interfaces to help you get started. Before launching your store, conducting thorough product research is essential to understand market demand and competition. Effective marketing strategies, such as social media promotion and email campaigns, can significantly boost your visibility and sales. Additionally, consider dropshipping as a low-risk option. It allows you to sell products without holding inventory, minimizing upfront costs. With the right approach, e-commerce can be a profitable venture that fits your lifestyle and interests. Content creation, monetizing your passion. Creating content is a fantastic way to turn your passions into profit, especially on platforms like YouTube and TikTok. These channels allow you to share your unique voice and creativity through engaging videos. As your audience grows, you can tap into various monetization options, including ad revenue and sponsorships, which can significantly boost your income. Finding your niche is crucial. It helps you stand out in a crowded space and attract a dedicated following. Additionally, engaging with your audience through comments and social media can foster a loyal community. With consistency and creativity, content creation can become a rewarding and lucrative endeavor. Investing, growing your wealth online. Online investing and trading have made it easier than ever for beginners to grow their wealth. Platforms like Robinhood and Acorns offer user-friendly interfaces that allow you to start investing with minimal capital. It's essential to understand the basics of investing, including the importance of research and risk management. Before diving in, take the time to learn about different investment options and market trends. Remember, starting small is key. It allows you to gain experience without overwhelming risk. As you become more comfortable, you can gradually increase your investments. With patience and a willingness to learn, online investing can be a powerful tool for building your financial future. Conclusion. In this video, we've explored a variety of online money-making options suitable for all ages, from freelancing and e-commerce to content creation and investing. Each avenue offers unique opportunities to generate income while allowing you to work flexibly and pursue your passions. We encourage you to take action and explore your interests, whether that means starting a freelance gig, launching an online store, or creating engaging content. Remember, the key to success is finding what resonates with you and committing to it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with others who might benefit from these insights. Your journey to financial independence starts now.